Alright guys, here we go. I'm going to react to the cough 2. So if you are ready with this last My Little Pony video that I'm going to be doing for today. If you are ready, here we go in 3, 2, 1, and start.
Who coughed?
Rainbow snapped, finally stopping her whimpers. But tears still flowed from her eyes.
Oh, it's a new narrator.
Bloodshot.
Please, whoever did it, just fess up.
Twilight stuttered, sounding as if tears were about to escape. But she just wanted everything to end.
Well, it wasn't me. I would fess up. I can fully agree with Flutters in the fact that I don't want to be the cause of misery.
Pinky said as she continued to clutch the bag of flour.
Well, it wasn't me. You would have seen the mouth movement, considering I am the one reflecting light. And I don't see it being Rarity, as the cougher seems more muffled.
She added, motioning to the white unicorn, who had returned to crying softly into Applejack's chest.
Oh, my Celestia! Who the hell was it?
Rainbow Dash, y'all don't have to yell.
Don't I? I had to kill my Philly friend because she said she had done it. But now I'm having second thoughts that it was her.
Well, wouldn't you have felt her cough against your fur? Since you two were locked in embrace when the first cough happened.
Pinky suggested, immediately wishing she hadn't. For this caused her rainbow friend to go off yet again.
Shit! I can't believe I didn't realize that before! The cough didn't even come from our direction. It came from yours!
Rainbow shouted as her hoof flew forward into Applejack and Rarity's direction.
Uh-oh.
Now who was it over there that wretched cough happened?
Could have been Applejack?
I know Applejack and Rarity were over there, but other than that... Oh, Pinky was over there too, but we already ruled her out, so... Who was it? Applejack, was it you? Or Rarity? I know you both know. Now, confess!
Come on.
Twilight commanded. Tears had begun to stream down her cheeks.
Who did it?
Fine. It was me. I coughed both times.
Applejack said calmly as she stood to her feet. She felt ready to cry.
Feet? You mean hooves?
She knew in about 5 more minutes she would never see her lovely Rarity or any of her friends again.
I'm sorry, I just couldn't bring myself to tell y'all.
Well, who's going to?
Oh boy.
Rarity stuttered, not taking her eyes off of her mare.
Well, who wants to?
Twilight asked, also stuttering, as she choked over her tears.
I will.
Pinky?
I know Rarity won't do it. I am supposedly her cousin, so I will.
Pinky stood up and walked to the farm mare. The only sound was whimpers and hooves clamming against the concrete floor.
Wait!
Rarity said as she jumped up and gave her mare a hug, knowing she couldn't kiss her for fear of getting the deadly cough.
Goodbye, my sweetheart. I promise, when this is all over, you and Fluttershy will get the funeral you deserved.
Rarity choked out as she stepped away from the wall AJ was now standing in front of, right next to Flutters.
Are you ready, Applejack?
Pinky managed to say, looking back at her relative.
As I'll ever be.
Applejack responded, surprisingly quite calm, but still had tears
Even though
slowly
this is
flowing from her
This is a
lime green
creepypasta. It's
eyes.
sad.
Twilight, light.
Pinky said, and the magic faded instantly. After about 5 seconds of silence, there was a loud cracking sound and a thud, and the element of honesty was gone. Minutes after, Rarity and Pinky were crying into each other's arms in loss of yet another friend.
Don't worry, guys. We'll get through this. Somehow.
Yeah.
Twilight
But
said
how?
reassuringly.
Pinky, where did you get so strong?
Rainbow asked the crying mare.
I don't know.
Was the only reply before more crying was heard.
Rainbow,
Twilight asked calmly.
Yeah,
we have to do something. We can't live in fear forever. We need to make sure this room remains as clean as possible until this epidemic is destroyed.
Twilight said, sitting
You got a
down
point
by the
there.
Pegasus.
alright. When this is all over, I'll make sure this never happens again.
Rainbow added, forcing a short glance at her deceased Philly friend.
Well, I guess all that can be done now is stay as far away from AJ and Flutters as possible, as to keep from getting the cough.
Twilight said, and every pony obeyed, staying on the opposite corner from the two rotting bodies. After about another 6 months, the epidemic was finally announced defeated
Wow, 6
and
months?
disappeared. As Rarity promised, there was a grand funeral for the two elements that were lost. Rarity and Rainbow were at their graves every day together for at least 3 or 4 hours a day
Wow.
to try and feel as if they were with their beloved once more. They were sometimes even accompanied by the other friends. Twilight and Rarity from that day on studied magic on strange diseases and cures for them. Rainbow continued her work with the weather team, and Pinky continued her bakery work. All 4 mares joined the Equestrian Red Cross as to help ensure a healthy country. Although the remaining main 6 seemed to have moved on and were working hard in their careers, they would spend every weekend at Twilight's to talk about the morn over their friends. Sometimes ponies would ask if they were alright, but they would always get the same answer.
Yeah, what would that be?
I'm fine. It's okay. Even still, with all they went through, if there was anything learned, it was that anything can be conquered eventually.
That's true. Is that it? I guess that's it, because all there is just music. Well, guys, that's it. And I'm not gonna wait until this ad is over. So, thank you guys for watching the 4 videos I want to leave out for you guys. And I hope to see you all next time when we do the last 2 episodes of Arglad's Let's Play of Donkey Kong Country, Dreamland's Revenge. And also, guys, there'll be 2 more Creepypasta videos I'll be listening to. Maybe. Or maybe I'll do some other videos. I don't know. But thank you guys once again. Once again, this is what I have to say. So long. Until next time, guys. Stay safe. And don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys. Bye.